Hello beautiful people around the world, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynette Nwarinda, and yes, I hope you enjoy this vlog. Say that all these fruits come straight from the tree. They are so natural, very organic. Oh my god, Africa is so beautiful, and I'm proud that we get to eat all these organic fruits, and yeah, life moves on. I see peeled matoke, you will see sweet potatoes here, you will see posho, mingled posho, and all these are going to be cooked in one saucepan. Wow, wow. Not forgetting that beef was also being chopped right here, and there is no party or there is no gathering without meat. We love meat so much, especially on functions, on gatherings, on parties. And as you can see, these boys were cutting it in small pieces. It was going to be cooked also in a big saucepan. Yeah, and we enjoyed the moment. It was remarkable for us all. Ungambukukwata manya kokashasa foya kanindi As you can tell from the video, this was not a nominal cooking of a family. It was for a whole bunch of people. So many that were more than 500 plus. And that's how we actually cook. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, please give it a like, subscribe to this channel to be the best support, and also leave a beautiful comment. Tell me what you think about this video. I love you all, guys. Oh, omwika. Nena naka nakati makateka o. The saucepans were huge because it signifies how many people it's going to be serving, and we had to cook from outside kitchen, as you can see, because I mean these saucepans are so huge. Where can they fit in any room? So for that reason, therefore, give this video a like, subscribe to this channel. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section, and remember, your subscription is the best support to this channel. Tell me what you want to see me vlogging, and bye. See you in the next one. I hope you enjoy this one. Koko boine sente Tokiganye. Nkwata videos. Oremo.